Today I am going to discuss about properties of integers. Integers have 5 main properties: closure property, associative property, commutative property, distributive property, and identity property. First one is closure property. Under addition and subtraction states that the sum or difference of any two integers will always be an integer. For example, 3 minus 4 is equal to 3 plus or plus minus 4 is equal to minus 1. 3 minus 4 also minus 1. 3 plus minus 4 also minus 1. So we are adding any integer to another integer, we are getting integer only. Closure property under multiplication states that the product of any two integers will be an integer. 6 9s are 54. 6 is an integer, 9 is an integer, and 54 also an integer. Second is commutative property. In addition and multiplication states that the order of terms does not matter, the result will be the same. See the example: x plus y is equal to y plus x. When we are adding x plus y and y plus x, also same answer. Okay, x into y is equal to y into x. But subtraction, x minus y does not equal to y minus x, and division also, x divided by y is not equal to y divided by x, are not commutative for integers and whole numbers. For example, you see the example, you can understand. 4 minus minus 6. 4 minus minus 6. Answer is 5. Okay, minus 6 and minus 4. The answer is minus 10. So answer is different. Here we are getting 10 and here minus 10. In division also, 10 divided by 2 is 5. And 2 divided by 10 is equal to 1 by 5. So the answer we are getting is wrong. That's why in the subtraction and division is not under the commutative property for integers. Associative property. In addition and subtraction, the result will be the same. In the associative property also, addition and subtraction, the result will be the same. For example, x plus y plus z is equal to x plus y plus z. We are adding y plus z to x. Here also we are adding x plus y to z. We are getting the same answer. Okay, in the same way, multiplication also, x into y into z, x into y into z. For example, 1 into 2 into minus 3. 2 and 3 we are multiplying. 2 3s are 6. Plus into minus, minus. 1 6 are 6, that is the minus 6. Here 1 into 2. Here 2 and 3 are grouped, but here 1 and 2 is grouped. 1 2s are 2 into minus 3. 2 3s are 6 and minus. So in addition and subtraction, the result will be the same under the associative property. But subtraction of integers is not associative in nature. Why? Because y minus z we are removing from x is not equal to x minus 5 minus z. For example, 1 minus 2 minus minus 3. Minus into minus plus. 2 plus 3, 5. Minus 5. 1 minus 5 is equal to minus 4. In the same way, 1 minus 2 1 minus 2 minus minus 3. 1 minus 2 minus minus 3. Minus into minus plus 3. 1 minus 2 minus 1. Minus 1 plus 3 minus 2. So here the answer is difference we are getting. So in the subtraction of integers is not associative in nature. Distributive property. Integers are added or subtracted first and then multiplied first with each number within the bracket and then added or subtracted. See here, x into y plus z is equal to x into y plus x into z. We are multiplying x with y and with z, then we are adding. Okay, x into y minus z is equal to x into y minus x into z. Minus 5 into 2 plus 1 here is equal to minus 15. How we are getting minus 15 means 5 to the 10 plus 1 15 minus 15 11 here. Okay, minus 5 into 2 plus minus 5 into 1. 5 to the 10 and 5 1 the 5. 10 plus 5 minus 15. Next property is identity property. Additive identity property states that when any integer is added to 0, it will give the same number. 0 is called additive identity. For example, we are adding 0 to any number, we are getting the same number. This is the identity property. Whenever a number multiplied by 1, it will give the integer itself as the product. For example, 1 is multiplying with x, we are getting x only. The number itself we are getting. So 1 is called the multiplicative identity for a number. If any integers multiplied by 0, the product will be 0. When we are multiplying any number with 0, what is the answer we get? 0 only. If any integer multiplied by minus 1, the product will be opposite of the number. For example, x is an integer and we are multiplying minus 1 with x. So what we are getting? Opposite of the number. X is plus x here, but we are getting opposite of the number. Okay. This I prepared a chart about properties of integers. Okay. Name of the property: closure, commutative, associative, distributive and identity property. And what is the properties for addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. Thank you for watching my video.